go. Tina.
Where's your shades?
This is airplane.
Airplane, no.
I'm the Barbie girl.
I'm a Barbie girl.
I'm the Barbie girl.
In a Barbie world.
I'm the Barbie girl. Na 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 na.
Hoo-hoo, Tina! Look at that! Falls! Wow! What's that? Snack time ang mga hikers. Snack time, Tina is eating snacks. Yummy? Yummy snacks. What are you doing? Huh? Oh, find the squirrel, be. Find the squirrel. Where's the squirrel? Oh, doon sila labilay, oh. Find the squirrel. Oh no, oh no. Find the squirrel, find the squirrel.
This is squirrel.
Where's the squirrel? Oh, where's the bird? Find the bird. Up, up, up. Find the bird. Yun ang bird, wala man bird dara. Ha? Ha? Reva? Oh no. Oh no, palayo, palayo. Danger, danger. Danger. Oh, danger, danger. Hindi mag-jump. No. Oh, kasi oh, rocks. Oh, mag-jump ka dra, may rocks. Bungi. Oh, bungi ikaw. Gusto mo bungi?
Bobby said.
Ha?
Bobby said.
Oh no.
Doctor said.
No, on tree, oh. Look at the tree. See? See the tree right there?
Pickles.
Oh, what's that?
Pickles.
Ha?
Pickle.
Ano?
Pickle stick.
Stick. Oh, stick.
They get in the water.
Oh, eat your snack. Sige na, eat your snack.
Like.
Let's go to the water. Dra lang. Up, up. Up, no.
The fish.
Ha? Wala man fish dira. Ah, wala fish ha. Dirita, dirita. Let's go here. Over here. Diri. Right here. Oh, dira. Oh. Watch lang ha. Oh, watch lang. Up, up, up. Dra lang, dra lang. Mabasa ikaw. Mabasa ka, mabasa. Mabasa mo socks. Your socks will get wet. Oh, just watch the water. Water. Just watch the water. Ay, hindi ah, hindi ah. Oh, sit down lang, Dre. Sit down. Sit down over here sa rock. Sit down sa rock. Sige, sit down. Eat your snack first. No. Oh. Eat your snack first. Oh, eat your snack, anay. Agi ha, boy. Oh, let's remove your shoes. Okay, basa naman. Your feet is cold? Feet is cold? Ha? Oh, butterfly. Wait lang, basa yung pajama. It's cold? Oh, hindi lang. Saka lang. Grabe nga bata. Ayay! Oh no! Your pants is wet! Oh no!
Feel this, Richard. Pasamot pa ni ka. Ganit ang bata.
Grabe. Like this is glacier waters right here. And Athena doesn't really mind the cold. The cold never bothered me anyway. I'm now convinced she is Elsa's long lost sister. Oh man. She's sleeping. Yeah. Yay. Ding dong. Wow, is it cold? 1, 2, 3, jump! Hey! Ano, cold? Is it cold? Huh? Oh no! Is it cold? It's cold?